9's complement, the method using 9's complement, okay. So first number, that is a 983, and take the 9's complement of this number, that is a 748. How to take this 9's complement? Subtract the 8 from 9, subtract 4 from 9, subtract 7 from 9. Is it clear? Okay. So the number is, your original number is 983. Okay. Using 9's complement method. Okay. So subtract this number from 9. Na? So suppose subtract 8 from 9, that is 1. Subtract this 4 na? From 9, that is 5. Subtract 7 from 9, that is 2. Okay? 251. 251. Na? So this 251, the addition of this 251, okay? 3 plus 1, 4, 8 plus 5, 13, 9 plus 3, 12. The number is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is a carry. One is a carry. Okay. So this one is a carry. So this one is addition of this number. This one is a carry. So addition of this number 2, 3, 4 plus 1 will be transferred. Add 1 to this number, that is a plus 1, that is a 4 plus 1, 5, 3 and 2. This is the 235. Na? This is the 235. Actually, using 9's complement, na? Using 9's complement, the number is the 983 minus 748. What is the in general subtraction? 235. So using 9's complement, so 983 is written as it is. So using 9's complement method, so this number 748 is subtract from 9. Suppose 9 subtract from 8, that is 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. So addition of these two numbers will get 4, 3, 2, 1. How many digits? 4 digits. Na? So this one is the carry. So add this carry, add to this number. So just it will be transferred and add plus 1. Add plus 1. So 234 plus 1, that is a 235. Na? This is a 235 number. This is a 235. Na? But using in the form of BCD. This is the BCD subtraction. Na? This is the BCD subtractions. So write down 983. Yeah? So this is the number 983. Another number is a 251. Na? Okay. So in BCD form, 983. What is the 9? 8, 4, 1,
1001.
0, 1. Okay, what is the 8? 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, what is the 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, then 251. What is 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. What is 5? 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. What is the 1? 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So plus. So plus. Okay. 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1. 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Then 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Just using this BCD binary number. So 983 plus 251. using 9's complement method, na? 251. So just write down this binary numbers and addition of this is okay. So after that, you know that in BCD 0 to 9, what is the rule of BCD? In 0 to 9, this number is valid number, na? Valid BCD. This is the valid BCD. 0 to 9, this is the valid BCD. And from 10 to 15, this is the invalid BCD. Invalid BCD. So then add 6. Then add 6, na? The 0, 1, 1, 0. Actually, it is shown on BCD addition method, na? So 0 to 9 is valid BCD number, and 10 to 15. Actually, 0 to 9 is a decimal number, na? It's a decimal number. 0 to 9 is a decimal number, but it is valid for the in BCD. Up from 10 to 15, it's invalid. That's why add 6. That is a 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So check it. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 0. That is a 8, 4, 2, 1. This is the 4. Na? This is the 4. So it's valid BCD. It's valid BCD. 1, 1, 0, 1. It is a 8, 4, 13. It's number 13. Na? So it's invalid. Again, it's also invalid. Na? So add 6. What is 6? 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Again add 0, 1, 1, 0. It's valid, na? Because its number is from 0 to 9. Na? That's why no add 6. Just write 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0. With carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0. With carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0. With carry 1. Again 1. With carry 1. Again 0. With carry 1. 0. And 1. It get carried. It get carried. This is the carry, na? This is the carry. So add this carry is transfer and add plus 1. Okay. So 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Then 0, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. What is the 0, 0, 1, 0? It's 2. What is 0, 0? It is 3. It is 5. This is a 2, 3, 5. The 2, 3, 5. So I will repeat these things. This is the BCD addition using BCD subtraction using 9's complement. So our number is the 983. Subtract example is given. Subtract from 748. Na? So in general subtraction, so get the number 235, but using 9's complement. So take the 9's complement of this number. So 983, 9's complement of this number. Subtract 9 from this digit. Okay, so 9 minus 8, that is the 1. 9 minus 4, that is the 5. 9 minus 7, that is the 2. So addition of both. So we will get 1, 2, 3, 5. It's the addition. But this digit, last digit, that is the carry. It's carry. Okay, so it will be transferred and it will be added to this number. So addition. Plus 1. This is plus 1. So 2, 3, 4 plus 1. That is a 2, 3, 5. Okay, 2, 3, 5. But in our case, that is the BCD subtraction. So in the BCD subtraction, so 983 plus 251. So just write down in binary form these numbers, addition of these numbers. So we'll get these things if we add both the numbers. Okay, then we'll get these things. But in BCD 0 to 9, it's valid BCD, and up to from 10 to 15, it's invalid BCD. Yeah? So that is incorrect. Na? That's why I add 6. What is the 6? 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so 0, 1, 0, 0. What is the 0, 1, 0, 0? It's a 2. Na? So it is 2 is in between 0 to 9. That's why it is valid. But 1, 1, 0, 1, it means it is 13. It's invalid. That's why I add 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 1. Again, it's invalid. That's why I add 6. So addition of both If it is addition, then we'll get this number. But with carry, in this addition with carry, this is carry 1, it will be then transferred and add it. So plus 1, no? So plus 1, then addition. 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. Huh? Other things are same. No? So what is the number? 2, 3, this is the 5. This is the correct answer of this example. No? 2, 3, 5. To convert into BCD subtraction. Is it clear? Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay, okay. So now another example. Most important things, just use 9 complement and then use 9 complement with carry. In some example, no carry. In some example, no carry is available. But in this example, carry is available. Carry is available. This is the carry. The addition of this carry 1 is added to this number, then we will get your answer. 2, 3, 5. The next number, the next example. Four to 9. Example number second. 4 to 9 minus 4, 7, 6. What is it? What is it? 47, na? Subtract minus 47. Na? 4 to 9 minus 4, 7, 6. 647. Just using 9's complement. Na? Using 9's complement. Using 9's complement. 4 to 9. What is 9's complement? 3, 2, 5. So 9, 5, no carry. In this example, no carry. 9, 5, 2. So write down 4 to 9, 4 to 9, and 5 to 3. 5 to 3. What is 4 to 9? 4 to 9. No? What is 4? 0, 0, 1, 0. No. What is 4? 0, 1, 0, 0. What is 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. What is 9? 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. What is 5? 0, 1, 0, 1, 5. What is 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. What is 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. So addition of. What is addition? 1 plus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1. Then 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1, 1, and 1. Then 0, 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1, 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1. This is the 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and this number. So again, in this case, no carry is available. Na? No generate carry. Got it up to this? Any doubts? Same step repeater, only example is changed. But in this example, no carry. No carry is available. Na? In previous example, carry is available. Na? So with using 9's complement to get this number. Na? So check. which is the valid BCD or invalid BCD. So first 110084. No? It's 12 number. No? So it is an invalid. So add 6 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. No? 4. It's valid BCD. 1001. 9. It's also valid BCD. Only 1100 it's invalid BCD. That's why add 6 0 1 1 0. And then addition. Take addition. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. It will be transferred to next digit 1. 0 plus 1 1 0 1 0. Then 1 0 0 1. What is the 1 0 0 1 8 4 2 1? No? It's 9. What is this? 0 1 0 1 4 2 1 5. What is this? 8 4 2 1 2 9 5 2. We'll get this answer 9 5. This is 9 5. No? Okay. Got it? This is the using 9's complement. We'll get this number, no? 952. But in this example, no carry is available. No? In previous example, carry is available. So this is the very simple subtraction using 9's complement. Then next topic. So if you have any doubts, ask me. Any doubts regarding this? Ask me. Using 9's complement, just use this 9's complement method. Our number is 429 minus 476. Na? So in general, what is the subtraction? That is a minus 47. Na? But BCD subtraction using 9's complement. Na? So just take the 9's complement of this number 476. Na? So 429 is written as it is. And what is the 9's complement of this number? So subtract 6 from 9. What is 9 minus 6? That is a 3. 9 minus 7, that is a 2. 9 minus 4, that is a 5. Then addition of these two numbers, we will get 952. Okay, with no carry. Okay. In previous example, carry is available. Na? So just write down these two numbers 4 to 9 plus 5 to 3. This is the binary numbers. So addition of this. Okay, this addition of this number is available. But check BCD. Actually, this is a BCD subtractor. Na? So 0 to 9 it's valid BCD, and from 10 to 15 it's invalid. If it is invalid or incorrect, then add 6. 0 1 1 0. So we check it. First 1 1 0 0. It's invalid. That's why add 0 1 1 0. 0 1 0 0. It's valid. 1 0 0 1. It's also valid because this number is between 0 to 9. Then addition of this, and then we get 9 5. Also, no carry is available. Na? This is the very simple example using 9's complement. So next topic is the arithmetic and logical unit. Next topic is arithmetic and logical unit. Arithmetic, logic, arithmetic logic, shift unit. Arithmetic logic shift unit is also called as ALU. Mostly it is used in the digital electronics. So it's take the addition of arithmetic operations, logical operations plus shift operations. Okay, so addition of this arithmetic operations, logical operation and shift operation, that is called the arithmetic logical unit. So it is designed by using multiplexer, that is a 4:1 multiplexer. So it is designed by using 4:1 multiplexer. This is the ALU arithmetic circuit. So draw the diagram. This is arithmetic circuit. Another is the logical circuit. Another is the logic circuit. The third one is it is again the output of this arithmetic and logical circuit. It is connected to the multiplexers. So before that, select lines. Three. This the multiplexer. 4:1 multiplexer. 4:1 multiplexer. 0, 1, 2, 3. Single output. Okay. This is output. Select lines S3 and S2. These select lines are connected to this 4:1 mux. You know that 4:1 mux. Two select lines S3, S2, four inputs. So one input coming from arithmetic circuits, one input coming from logical circuits, and 2 and 3 is coming from the shift register. 2 and 3. It is called as a AI minus 1, AI plus 1. This is the shift register right side. Shift register, shift unit right side and shift unit left. It is represented by AI minus 1 and AI plus 1. Another unit of arithmetic circuits, that is S1 and S0. S1 is connected. This S0 is also connected to this logical unit. S1, S0. Okay. Another is a BI, AI, BI, AI. Okay. This is the complete architecture of arithmetic and logical shift unit. In this case, arithmetic circuit, logical circuits using 4:1 multiplexer. Okay. So in 4:1 multiplexers, how many inputs? There are the four inputs. Na? So one input coming from arithmetic circuit, one input coming from logical circuit, one input, and the pin number 2 is from AI minus 1, it's shift right, and third is the shift left unit. Single output A5, two select lines S3, S2 for this 4:1 multiplexers. Now again S1 and S0 are also selection lines. Both are connected to the arithmetic circuit as well as the logical circuits. Okay, and another input of this AI and BI. These are the input. Again, it is connected to the both the circuits. AI and BI. So again, write down, if suppose condition that is a 0, 0. So this arithmetic circuit, it output is a DI. This is the EI. Output of this arithmetic circuit DI is the EI. So this is the output of arithmetic circuit. It is the input of 4:1 mux, and logical circuits, that is the output of this. It is input of one of the input of 4:1 mux. Another is the So it is a combination circuit. Huh? It is a combinational circuit. ALU. So combination of arithmetic circuits, arithmetic operations, logical circuits, logical operations, and shift operations. Na? That's why it is called the combination circuits or ALU. So it is a different inputs as well as the select lines are connected. So again, in this case, if suppose conditions write down 0 0 operation 0 0, that is arithmetic 0 0 operation, that is arithmetic 0 1, it means logical. 0 1 means logical. Okay, write down 0 0. It's arithmetic operations. 0 1. It represent logical operations. 1 0. Shift right. Okay. 1 1. Shift left. CI. It is a carry. Okay. Again, this two inputs are carry. This is CI. Carry input. This is the carry input. This is the carry output. CI plus 1. Carry output. So this is the again carry input. Again to carry input, and for this arithmetic circuit, no carry for this logical circuits, but in arithmetic circuit requirement of carry input and carry output. Okay, so 0 0 arithmetic operations, 0 1 logical operations, 1 0 shift right, 1 1 shift left. CI, that is the carry input. S0, S1, these are the select lines, selection lines, select lines. This is the complete architecture of arithmetic and logical unit. So draw it. So if you have any doubts regarding this architecture, so ask me. So it is a combination of arithmetic and logical circuits. So how actually why 0 0 0 1 1 0 operations are going on? So it will be in the truth table, using the truth table. Right? These things are very clear. Right? 0 0 arithmetic, 0 1 logical, like this. Okay? After this, I will draw the truth table. Is it complete?
सर बोर्ड दिसत नाहीये सर व्यवस्थित.
दिसत नाही का?
क्लिअरली
Hello?
नाही दिसत.
क्लिअर दिसत नाही का?
हा
अर्थमॅटिक सर्किटला दोन इनपुट्स आहे. अर्थमॅटिक सर्किट्स, लॉजिकल सर्किट्स. ओके, S3 and S2. This is the S3. Just a minute. This is the S3, S2. S3 and S2 both are the selection lines of 4:1 multiplexer. This is the arithmetic circuit. This is the logical circuits. Okay, this is the 4:1 mux circuit. Okay, so this 4:1 mux, how many inputs? 4 inputs. No? So one input, that is the arithmetic circuit, they represent the DI. Another is the 1 second input of 4:1 mux, that is the logical circuit, represented as EI. Then next third input, that is the AI minus 1 shift right, and third is the shift left, AI plus 1. Okay, and this arithmetic and logical circuits, again select lines S1 S0 connected both unit, and BI AI are the inputs. Okay, are also connected both the circuits. Okay, carry input and carry output of arithmetic circuit. No carry for logical circuit. This is the output of 4:1 mux output. So actually this architecture is also available on PPT. Just in the table. S3, S2, S1, S0, S3, S2 are the inputs of select lines of 4S21 multiplexer. S1 and S0 are the inputs of arithmetic and logical circuits, and CI, that is the carry input. The carry input. Last is the operations. 0, write down 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 8 times 0.
बोल काहीतरी आवाज येईल.
This is a truth table of arithmetical and logical shift unit. S3, S2 are the inputs of or select lines of 4S21 mux already designed. S1, S0 are the select lines of arithmetic and logical units, and CI is the carry input of arithmetic circuit and odd exact operations. Huh? So just write down from 0 to different conditions. Okay. So if suppose all are zeros, okay, so its operation function is equal to a. Then next is the 0, 1. That is the 1 is added. That's what in this variable a plus 1. Okay. Then 1, 0. It's 2 and 1. This is a 2. That's the add plus 1 in this case. So a plus b. Again add 1. That's why a plus b plus 1, like this. These are the operations. So this operation from this first 8 operations, that is the arithmetic operation. It's the arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operations. Okay. 0, 0, 0. That is the it's represented variable a, add 1. That's why in this variable add 1, a plus 1. This is a 1 0, na? This is a 1 0. That is a 2. That's why again add plus 1. That's why a plus b. Second variable again add 1 1, na? That is a 3. That's why a plus b plus 1. Like this. These are the actually arithmetic operations. You know that arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, like this. Okay? This is the arithmetic operation from this 0 to this up to 0 to 8. Okay? Then the next operations, in this next operations, no carry. That's why don't carry condition is taken as no carry, no carry input. Okay? So 0 1 0 1. In this case, these operations are the logical operations. Okay? These operations are the logical operations. 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0 1. These are the logical operations. These are logical operations. And the last condition, last two conditions, again they have no any carry input and also no select lines of this arithmetic units. So the condition is 1 0. What is the 1 0? Already know what is the how to check it? Actually 0 0, huh? Arithmetic operations, na? 0 0 0 0, na? Arithmetic operations. This is 0 0. This is the arithmetic operations. 0 1 0 1 logical operations. 0 1. This is the logical of 0 1, na? Select lines, na? 0 1. That is logical operations. Next is a 1 0. This is the 1 0. Shift right unit. Okay? And 1 1. This 1 1 is the shift left unit. Okay? So with the help of this truth table, it is a design of arithmetic and logical unit and shift unit, na? ALU. Arithmetic, logical, and shift unit. Okay? S3, S2, all of you know that this S3, S2 are the select lines of multiplexer, 4:1 multiplexer. S1, S0 are the select lines of arithmetic and logical units. CR is the carry input of this arithmetic logical unit, arithmetic units. Okay? What exact operation going on? So always remember this 0 0 select lines. Suppose 0 0. Okay, that is the arithmetic operations is going on. That's why arithmetic operations. A plus 1, A plus B plus 1. 1 1 0. Na? So add 1 again 1 1 add 1 like this. These are the arithmetic operations. Then 0 1. The logical operations. These are the logical operation, but there is, you know that in logical operation, no any carries are available. No carries are available. So no carry input. That's why no carry input. This is don't care conditions. And carry input. And last operation, that is the 1 1 and 1 0. Again, no for shift right and shift left unit, no carry, and that's why it's a shift right and shift left. This is in the truth table of the ALU circuit. Yes, any doubts regarding this? Ask me.
Got it, sir.
I directly write there 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 4 times 0 4 times 1 8 times 0. Suppose select lines are zeros, right? Arithmetic operations 0 1 logical operations, no? Like this 1 0 shift left unit and shift right unit. And these are the operations. No? Actually, these are the arithmetic and logical operations. You know that in arithmetic, what exact arithmetic operations and what exact logical operations. No? These are the simple structure or simple arithmetic and logical. So if examinations ask draw and explain arithmetic and logical shift unit, just draw the architecture and with the help of architecture, write down this truth table. So got it? Any doubts? Ask me. Gayatri, Vivek, any doubt? Already this type of truth table and all these things are available. PPT. F is equal to A plus 1, A plus B plus 1, A plus B bar, A plus B bar plus 1, A minus 1, A, that is the arithmetic operation. Then logical operation, yeah, these are the logical operations. And last one is the, again, shift right and shift left, again 0 0 arithmetic 0 1, logical 1 0, SHR, shift right 1 1, shift left, CI, carry input, and S0 S1 selection lines of arithmetic and logical unit. S3 S2 also select lines of 4:1 multiplexer. It's already designed in your diagram. Yeah? Got it? The doubts, ask me. Komal,
Got
Prasad.
it, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so the next lecture we have to discuss about the comparator. Thank you. Next lecture, just like down the reading, digital comparator. Next lecture, design 2-bit, 4-bit comparator. Design of 2-bit and 4-bit comparator. Okay. So next lecture, we will discuss on that topic, digital comparator. Thank you. Thank you all of you.